Start with a hook to grab the viewer's attention and introduce the topic of the video. Explain that in this video, we will explore different ways to find a new business idea. Method 1. Look at current trends. Explain the importance of keeping up with current trends to identify gaps in the market. Provide an example of a current trend and how it can inspire a new business idea. Offer tips on how to research current trends and identify opportunities. Method 2. Think about your own skills and interests. Discuss the benefits of starting a business in a field that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Provide examples of how your own skills and experience can translate into a profitable business idea. Offer tips on how to brainstorm business ideas based on your skills and interests. Method 3. Research successful businesses. Explain the importance of studying successful businesses to understand what factors contribute to their success. Provide examples of successful businesses and how they can inspire a new business idea. Offer tips on how to research successful businesses and analyze their strategies. Method 4. Brainstorm with others. Explain the benefits of collaborating with others to generate new business ideas. Provide examples of how brainstorming with others can lead to innovative ideas. Offer tips on how to effectively brainstorm with others. Method 5. Look at your audience. Discuss the importance of understanding your audience's needs and interests when developing a business idea. Provide examples of how to research your audience and their needs. Offer tips on how to create a business idea that addresses your audience's needs. Conclusion. Summarize the different methods for finding a new business idea. Encourage the viewers to use these methods to generate their own business ideas. End with a call to action to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel for more content.